From simple handyman tasks to high-end remodels and 24/7 emergency repairs, Suncoast Services is your one-stop shop in Pasco County. We show up on time, we always call back, and no job is too small. Let's get your project started today. Come check this out.
Alrighty, so we are doing a LVP flooring repair down here in Tampa, Midtown, one of the apartment complexes we do property management on. And I like to start off with taping out the area, the plank, because some of the planks blend into each other. You don't necessarily know which plank ends where, so I just find it easier to mark it out so that we know where the plank that we're working on ends and begins. So then I like to use an oscillating tool with this round blade on it. It's been really helpful, especially in these types of scenarios. Cuts right through the plank. You don't have to go too crazy. I try to be a little extra cautious, a little extra gentle. I don't want to nick the surrounding planks that have no damage on them. Then I like to use one of these multi-tools, the 5-in-1s. A lot of painters use those, but it's a nice multi-tool. Helps me pry out the plank. Another thing is I like to make sure that we clean the surface all around, right? Any of these little chips can mess up the connection mechanism and make sure it makes the plank not set in flush. And along those lines, we have to take off the connection mechanism on the new plank, because really they're supposed to snap together, but because you're replacing it, there's no way for you to angle it and snap one into the other. So you have to take it off of the new plank that you're installing. So here, that's me using my knife, taking off that little trim there. That way it can slide right into place. Try to make it a straight cut, and I'll show you how nice it fits. Boom, right there. Nice. You might have to do some adjustments to the connection mechanism that's on the plank, but depending on how straight you cut it and how much you got out of it, then you might have to go back just to adjust it a little bit. Looks good. Slicing that off, and I know I got an old oscillator there, but it does the job. Does it well. I like having the power outlet right next to me, so that worked out. Here I use the cutoff of the old plank to tap the new plank in place so that it's nice and flush. This is nice because you're not actually hitting the new plank with the hammer, which is obviously not a good idea. Don't do that. But underneath these planks, they have a nice foam pad, so you don't have to go and get another mallet or anything like that. You could just use the plank